Hello, welcome to another new tutorial on the light bag collection. So this week we'll be making a bag with double gussets, the H gusset. So these are all the material I'm showing you. Right now I'm going to talk about the illustration. Once I talk about the illustration, then we'll start making this. It will be in form of like the making, because I will just be showing all the process of making this particular bag. It has been long a little bit we did tutorial like this, so we are going to, you guys should just stay tuned, have your popcorn and your soft drink and enjoying this particular tutorial. But before I start the illustration, for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first persons to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think after you finish watching this particular video, if you understand, and share this with people you know it's going to be of help to them. You can also give us a giant thumbs up. For those of you who are also interested in our online training, it's still pretty much available, and in details we also have tutorial, we also have online training for this particular project in details that you understand much better compared to what we are giving you on the YouTube. So without no further ado, let's proceed to the illustration. So this is the illustration. You can screenshot this and study it a little bit. The height of the bag is 7.5, the length is 11, which beside is each of the side is 3.5. So, and we have the cover here, which is 6.5. It has been calculated together with the top, what is going to be at the top. So, and we have our gusset here, which is the side. The height now is now going to be, instead of 7.5, we add 1 inch to it. It's going to be 8.5, and instead of 3.5 here, we have add to it. It's now going to be 4 inch. So, and that is how we have it. Then on this side we have 2 centimeters for the bottom. We have we also have 3 centimeters for this side. That's the reason why, that's how we get this particular side. And this is for the bottom. For the bottom is going to be 10.5 by 5.5. So that is what we have. Then for the divider, which is the zip inside of the bag, is going to be 6.5 by 10.5. For this 6.5 is going to double into 2, which is going to make it 13. So the zip will be at the middle. You just need to measure. You remove 1 inch from this side, 1 inch from this side. So the zip is now going to be 8.5 exactly. That is what you are going to cut for the zip. I hope you guys will understand this. So once more, you can screenshot this particular one, and before you know it, you start making it. So let's proceed with the rest of the making. Thank you guys for watching. Don't also forget to subscribe. Our online training is pretty much available. You can apply. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. You can chat with me and talk to me and ask for the information. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the continuation of the video. So guys, here is it. I fast track everything. I have applied gum to the interface, applied gum to the soft foam, then I have applied gum to the material, the leather itself, then I gum it down. So I'm left now to gum the back. The same thing I have done to the back, the top and the front, and this is the front. So I didn't talk about this lock earlier. This is the lock I'll be using. Also for the lining at the back and the cover, I have ruled, as you can see my pen, I ruled this out so it will be exactly for the cover. And I have also sewn my pocket, so I have also applied gum. But now from henceforth I will try my best to show you the process. So after I finish that, after I gum this back, what I'm going to do now is for me to start applying gum to the gusset and gum them down. Once I gum them down, before I will start assembling. But this bag is a little bit more complicated, so I'm going to take my time to show you guys everything and do this. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the rest of the updates. So guys, this is the process so far. This place has been stitched halfway, and this is the lock we are using. So right now I'll be cutting out the lock and fixing. Once I cut out this one, I will use it to fix this particular place. And there's a place I indicated for the top with my pen. As you can see, this is one of the places. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. I indicate with biro. So this is the gusset, the side and the bottom. It's a double-sided bag, and as you can see, that is the lining that we use to cover this particular side. It has not been covered. I have to fix the lock first before I cover it, and this side has been covered already. just like the one I showed you previously. So this is this one now. After I fix this now, there is a divider with zip, so I'll be showing you the divider how to make it and the zip. So from here we proceed to the rest of the tutorial. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel, leave in the comment section down below what you think. Give this video a giant thumbs up, and for those of you who are interested in our online bag making, the training is still pretty much available. You can come to buy the video only and you can apply for the online training, which you get much more information, just like when we make this boy 100% information, the process from beginning to end, with a very detailed video and information. So enough talking, let me proceed with the rest of the making. So this is the divider for the two gussets. This is how it is. From this side to the middle is 6.5, while from this particular ending to this particular ending is 10.5, half inch from the bolt top and from the height and from the length. Then we have the zip here. From this particular side to this particular side, you measure 1 inch from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here is 2 centimeters. Then you cut your zip, you measure it, you had half inch to both side, and you cut your zip. Then you apply your gum to the edge, you fix your zip head, and right now I'm about to fix this to here. So once I fix it, I will come back to show you. Guys, this is it. I have gummed the zip down, so it's now left for me to stitch this top. Once I stitch this top, then this one will be folded this way, and I will prepare it before I will now be attaching the gusset, which is the side, that one on top of there, to it. But right now I have finished cutting the space for the big lock, and as you can see, I lose it. This is the other side of the lock. I also have measured where my eyelet is going to enter, and I have my eyelet here already. So it's left for me now to use the machine to fix it. I will not be showing you this. That's the machine there I'll be using to fix the eyelet. So once I finish fixing this particular one and I finish sewing this, I will just come back to show you a brief before I attach that particular one there to use. Once I fix this, I'm also going to fix the other side of the lock to this part, which is this one you can see here, to the front. This is the front. So you guys just stay tuned and watch this. So this is it. I'm done with fixing the eyelet and the lock. As you can see, it's now left for me to apply gum to this back, apply gum to the liner as well, then I gum it back before I will now assemble. And this is the divider for the two gussets. I have also stitched the top. So right now I will be attaching it to the two gussets, which is there. So once I finish, I will show you, and it will now be the end where I assemble everything. So stay tuned to watch that as well. So first, we have gummed this particular particular lining to the front, and also we have to stitch the top just like the way you see. Then this is the gussets, the divider in between. We have finished it. So you apply gum to one side, as you can see it, down to this side, and you gum it to this side. You arrange it well, just like you see now. If you like, you can decide to put gum on the other side as well, so you gum it down, but I don't usually do that. I will just, once I gum this one, I place it on each other and I keep sewing. I adjust everything the way I want it. So that's the next thing I'll be doing now. Once I do that, once I attach the two gussets to each other, before I will attach one part to the front before I attach it to this back. So stay tuned to watch the rest as it's going. We have this particular one now. I just finished attaching the two gussets to each other. You see the way it is, very nice. I just finished sewing it right now. So this is how you do it. Then after you finish, you still stitch a little bit of this place, so it will hold down this down very well, not from the top too much. So right now I will now fix this particular side to this side. Once I attach it to this side, before I will now attach it to this side. So I will do this and I will come back to show you. So now I have attached the gusset to the main front. You see how beautiful it's looking. So right now it's left for me to attach it to the back. I will sew it. So once I finish sewing it, then we will see the outcome of the back before we are going to attach this beautiful long chain to it. This is the thick chain I'm using, so I'll be attaching this chain to it and we'll finish off our bag in no time. So let's proceed with the rest. So I just finished attaching the front now, and I check for any imperfection, and everything is perfect the way I want it to be. So exactly, if you make yours, your own should be like this. So the tutorial for making of this, as in the training, will be available in full details. If you know, for those of you who watched this and you didn't get it, you can come apply for our online training, or you can just buy the full video that talk about the information, all the full information in details, the measurement, the illustration, the process of making, the secret behind making this. So you can come watch that, you can come buy that and you learn. So right now I have my chain. I will be fixing the chain. Once I finish fixing the chain, I will just show you the beauty of the bag, and that will be the end of this tutorial. So for those of you on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. And for those of you who have been watching our channel since 4 years ago and you've not subscribed but you always come back, this is the time for you to subscribe, because at the end of the day you won't be able to find our channel again if you don't subscribe. And when you subscribe, you are encouraging us to make a video of such, or even the one that is much better than this in details. So leave in the comment section below what you think on this particular bag. Give this video a giant thumbs up. You can also talk to me directly from my WhatsApp. It will be in the link in the description. So let me finish fixing the chain, then we'll come back to show you the beauty of the bag. So I just finished fixing the chain right now. You see how the bag is looking gorgeous. So thank you guys for watching. This is our beautiful bag. You have seen how we make everything, both the divider, the inside. You can see the kind of lining we use and the pocket inside. Everything is as neat. So your work should be neat, as this neat, so that your client will always patronize you. And by the way, if you also want to learn, or if you need most of this accessory, I can get it for you. Just talk to me. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. And for those of you who are interested in learning all this, again, this is the it will be available, and new design tools are also available. You can just buy the video without asking question and go. You can register for the training, which we put you through on what to do, how you can use a domestic machine to achieve this, how you can use a cylinder bed or industrial machine to also achieve this. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.